This is very nice also today on the 15th of July 2025. What was the address, by the way?
Pohjoinen Liipolankatu, 10 staircase A.
Yeah, in Liipola, Lahti, Finland. West is 4 first 20 grams, models without the fissures and without the doors and stone floors. Built in 1971, models in 2002, same versus 25155. Two right, so.
Yeah.
No, it's just like on paper written like that.
Yeah.
Instead, yeah. But isn't that the EcoDisc machine? It sounds like that.
No.
It sounded a bit.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And bottom driven.
Inspected by Kone. Lifting control Finland maintained by also now described.
That's an interesting solution.
Yeah.
The bottom driven with EcoDisc is not that common.
Yeah.
And on these types of quite early delta motorization, this is a 2002, so that's still quite early.
Yeah.
The earliest we've seen it is 2001, but also like replaced in 2000 we've seen
Yeah.
with delta mod. I like the sound and smell here.
Same.
And in this building we still need the staircase to be here.
Yeah.
Let's take a seat, you can watch that. You can watch this one. That's it, thank you very much.
That's